CM statistics already previous class you were studying in 10th standard. What is the statistics in general life where you can using a collection of information called by data, that is called by statistics. Maximum this related using by accounts. Okay, difference between any okay, so otherwise two students difference, otherwise okay, these and all called by statistics. Here important of statistics are upgrading data. In these observations that is called by x bar. X bar means sum of the values by number of the values, that is called by for on upgrading data. So this is data for descriptive frequency of distributions. If x1, x2, so on xn be n observations with representative frequently t1, t2, so on tn. So that is called by in frequency. Okay, for example, see here in statistics means two batsmen are there. Batsman Ganguly and Sachin Tendulkar. Otherwise, any two names you have to take. So, in batsmen A and B, what is the mean and what is the median? Mean means what, Nana? Sum of the values by number of the values. Median means what? You have to odd numbers and even numbers you have to check in sequence. If you odd numbers means what is the formula you can use? N plus 1 by 2. Otherwise, even numbers means n by 2 plus 1. N by 2 plus 1. Okay, so that is called by in mean and median. Otherwise, you can take n by 2 also you can take and n by 2 plus 1. That is observations you have to call. Next, after that, range. Range means what is the value? Then highest value minus lowest value. Range means what you can call? Highest value minus lowest value. Otherwise, least value. Otherwise, maximum value minus minimum value. That also you have to take. That is called by range. Okay. Mean deviation means what you can write? Mean of the deviations means sum of the deviations by number of the deviation. Already I said. So here 4 steps are there. How to you can find out mean value? So you can calculating the tell me now. Tell me Ra.
Sir,
Mode I will explain Nana. That also will explain. Okay. Mean deviation. So sum of the absolute values by number of the absolute values. Mode means what is the mode? Meaning means you have to take one sequence or one series is given. Some numbers are given. Which number are more than times repeated? That is called by mode. Okay, which number are repeated? That is called by. So now here you have to write whatever the given that problem. First you have to write ascending order or descending order. Means small to high, otherwise high to small also you can write, no problem. So that is called by ascending order or order. So this now here see for example 1. What is given in example 1? problem. Find the mean. So some equations problems is given 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8, 12. So step 1.
Sir, in class work we want to write definitions, sir.
Definitions no need amma. CBSE will not ask in definitions in mathematics. Only problems only none. 11th and 12th definitions will not ask. Okay. So only problems only will ask. Okay, up to 10th standard only will ask any definitions any. 11th and 12th standard you can't ask definitions, this and all. Only problems only. Proofs also will not ask. For example, one proofs are there. You were studying previous. What you were studying? Trigonometry. You have to prove that sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. That is only formula based. That's it. Proofs and all will not ask. Okay. 11th and 12th in mathematics, definitions and proofs. These two will not ask. Only problems.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any doubt about? Okay.
No,
See?
sir.
Okay. So, but you have to read what is the mean, what is the median, what is the range, what is the data, this and all. You have to read one sentence now. So, data means what you can write nana? A collection of information called by data. Yes. So that data means number of examples will come. So range, maximum value minus minimum value, like that. Just you have to. Okay. Next nana, mean. Mean means what? Sum of the values by number of the values. Already you are find outing now. For example, you are writing board exam. What is the your percentage? Means what you can write nana? English marks, maths marks, chemistry marks, physics marks, and biology marks, and computer marks. How many subjects are there nana? 6 subjects. So each subject, what is the marks by divided by 6? Yes or no? So we'll calculate the
Yes, sir.
yes. So that is called by mean. So now here what is given on here? First step 1, find the mean division of the about the mean of the following data 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8, 12 is given. Okay, step 1. What is the step 1 nana? No need here step 1, step 2, step 2. But this is examples now, so that's why I am explaining step by step. So mean, what you can write nana? Mean formula what? Sum of the
Observation divided
yes,
by number.
sum of the observations by number of the sum of the observations by number of the observations. You have to write. Sum of the observations means what you can write nana? Mean denoted by x bar. Don't confuse, any one you have to take. Okay. So sum of the observations means what you can write? 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 by how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements are there. So just you have to add. What is the total nana? You can add. What will come? 72 by 8. 72 only. Once you can check. So 8 1 ja, 8 9 ja. What is the mean nana? 9. What is the mean? 9. Okay, mean over.